Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup, skincare, fashion, and hair multiple times a week. So if that's something you're interested in, I'd love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. If you saw my recent video, you saw that I unboxed and showed you guys all the new skincare I got, and obviously today I have more boxes behind me. As I said in my last video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the makeup I recently got today in this haul video, since in that video I just focused on skincare. Now, just as I was sitting down to do this video, I got another package and it's actually skincare, so I'm just gonna include it in this video because it's still a haul video, but just keep that in mind. We do have a few skincare items in this haul. But yeah, I basically received a bunch of PR as well as products that I purchased myself just in the span of these last few weeks. So I thought I'd sit down and collectively show you guys everything I got so you know what to expect from me in future videos. So if you want to see me unbox all these and go through all the products I got recently, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters.
Alright, so let's just start with this box right here and just get the skincare out of the way in this video so then we can focus on makeup for the rest. So I did get this as PR, so I did not purchase it myself. I'm just going to disclose that. Of course, I want to be transparent with you guys about that. And this is from the brand Eyeshadow. It's a Korean skincare brand, and when they reached out to me, I was so excited because I've heard about their brand before and heard people rave about it, and I was always curious to try them out. First, we have the Eyeshadow Tea Tree Relief Serum. I've heard this is amazing for like acne and just kind of repairing the skin, so I'm really excited for that. It says it's a powerful relief, natural moisturizing, soothing care, brightening, and wrinkle care. That sounds awesome, so I can't wait to test this out. Then we have the Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum. I've tried Propolis products one time only, and it was in my trying Korean skincare with my boyfriend video. So I'm definitely excited to give this a go because Propolis is one of those ingredients that I actually don't know that much about. So I do want to learn more about it. Now this next product is probably the one I'm most excited for. This is the Eyeshadow Black Snail. Yep, Restore Serum, and this is a powerful skin restore. It's supposed to nourish and lift and brighten and take care of wrinkles too, so sounds awesome. I've heard so many people rave about snail products, especially in skincare and stuff, so I am really intrigued by this and can't wait to actually try it out. It's something so different than any other skincare that I've tried in the past. And then they also sent me some nice little samples. So we have the Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum, just samples of the full size that I received, and then the Centella Calming Gel Cream. I'm gonna do a video on all these products, testing them out and stuff, so I'm really intrigued by Korean skincare and definitely want to try out more Korean skincare here on my channel because I feel like their products are so innovative. Definitely stay tuned for a review video on these. I can't wait to see how they work. Alright, so now we can jump into the makeup of this video. So let's start right over here. Okay, so these I got a while back, but I thought I would show them to you guys. I already took them out of the boxes. These are from Sistar Cosmetics. I've worked with Sistar Cosmetics in the past and I've absolutely loved their products, and they came out with new eyeshadow palettes. So I was so excited to receive these. I love eyeshadow. It's probably my favorite part when it comes to makeup, so couldn't wait to play around, and I actually used this one today. So this is the Sistership You Are My Dream Sistar 30 color eyeshadow palette, and first of all, the packaging of these are amazing, but then when we open up, this is full of like mauve neutral, so I used it today to create this like really cool editorial look. And yeah, I'm so excited about this. We have some beautiful shimmers. Can't wait to use even more of these colors. Next, we have the Color Your Dream Dreams Are My Reality palette. This one I have not touched yet. It still has the seal, but look at this. So gorgeous. Like a rainbow palette with beautiful range of shimmers and stuff. Such rich colors in here. I can't wait to do some beautiful looks with this. And again, this packaging is amazing. And the last palette is the Queen Cleopatra inspired eyeshadow palette, and the packaging, again, they really killed it on these palettes packaging, and this one I have not touched yet either, but so beautiful, really rich tone colors. I can't wait to play around like this orange and this blue and this green as well. They're just calling my name. We have a beautiful gold in here too, so I'm definitely gonna have to do some really pretty eyeshadow looks with these. If you want like swatches and tutorials using these palettes, let me know down below in the comments because I really want to test them out. From what I've seen in this palette so far, the quality is definitely there, and they're all super affordable. So let me know what you guys would like to see regarding these. Now this is my own order from Sephora, so we're gonna be going through this. First of all, I got the brand new Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable collection. I was so excited when this launched, and I actually already did a video on these products, so I'll have that video linked down below in the description because I did a full first impressions where I tried these out. But first we have the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable blush, and I got everything from the collection in the nearly mauve shade. They all come in the same shade range, so it's like a monochromatic look. Such a gorgeous blush, I love that. And I got the liquid eyeshadow from the same line and same color, nearly mauve. So cool. I've been playing around with this, and it's a little bit out of my comfort zone when it comes to eyeshadows because I don't usually use matte eyeshadows that are a liquid, but I've been playing around with this whole monochromatic look and it's kind of nice. And then for my favorite product out of the collection, it's the glossy lip balm. This has become my all-time favorite lip product. I put it on all day long, even when I'm not wearing makeup. It's the perfect moisturizing lip gloss. It's truly like the best lip balm I've ever come across. So moisturizing. It feels like a little pillow on your lips. It's amazing. No stickiness, just glides right on. Amazing formula. And then something I found a lot at Sephora, always check your offers because you can always get free products with your orders. They usually need to be just over $25, which is pretty easy to achieve at Sephora. So with that, I got this mini Rare Beauty lip balm. It's the same one, just in a different shade. This one is in the shade Nearly Neutral, and I love this one because I put it in my purse and stuff. Perfect for on the go. I love mini makeup products, so I was really happy that I got this. And with that, I used my points to get the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I've been testing this out and I do like it, but it does kind of leave a film on my skin, so I'm still trying to find out if I really like it or not. I am looking for a good cleansing balm, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below in the comments. I've been wanting to get the Inkey List oat cleansing balm, but it's always sold out, of course, so if you have any other recommendations, let me know because I've been dying to find a new cleansing balm. But these little jars are really nice too for traveling, so might as well use my points for that. And then as a free sample, I got one of these little perfumes. How adorable. This is the Chloe perfume, and look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna like display this because it's just so adorable, and it actually smells pretty good, I believe. A little more on like the florally side, so it will be really nice for like summer and stuff. And again, these are awesome to travel with. And I just put everything in one box, but all the rest of the stuff is from a separate order, so let's get right into this. Let's start with Anastasia. Now this is what first intrigued me. This is the Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Gel. Now, if you've been on social media and TikTok lately, you know that the super like brushed up, almost like laminated brow is really in style right now. A lot of people are using like hair gel or like bars of soap or just getting their brows laminated. It's really in style. So when I saw that Anastasia came out with this, it's basically supposed to be like the best gel to keep up your brows all day, and as the name suggests, it's a brow freeze, so I can't wait to try this out. I feel like it's a little pricey for a brow gel. It just comes in a little jar like this, but I'm gonna have to see how I like it. So yeah, if you want a video on this, definitely let me know. And then with the order, again, those Sephora offers are awesome. You get a free mini Anastasia Brow Wiz. I've never actually tried this, but I've heard a bunch of people rave about it. So it comes with the brow pencil. I got mine in the shade Ebony, which is my actual shade in their brow pencil, and then it comes with the spoolie. All right, and since we're talking about like little products, I'll just mention this sample. So I got another perfume. This is the Versace Bright Crystal. I just love these little products you get there. They just make your order so much better. So here it is. It's just a little perfume, and this one I actually love the smell of. It's a little bit more on the dark side, but still pretty feminine. I can't wait to start using this. All right, so next we do have a couple face products. The first is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Now, this has been a long time coming for me. I've been seeing this product everywhere. Everyone uses it. It's like the best primer ever in everyone's eyes, so I finally thought I had to try it. Apparently it's supposed to act like a little glue stick for your makeup and glue your makeup to your face. So I just got the 10 milliliter version instead of the 20, and oftentimes I do get smaller sizes of the products if they're available, especially when it comes to makeup, because I have so much makeup that I really don't need the full size because I often never go through it. So I thought, you know, if I'm just buying this to test it out and see how it works, I might as well get the smaller ones. So I'm definitely gonna have to do a test video on this. I might wear it on like one half of my face and see how it actually works. All right, and the last two products here are both foundations, and they're actually both from the Sephora collection. I've never really given the Sephora collection a chance, and I was just scrolling on the website like I usually do when I'm just bored and looking at makeup. What else do you do when you're a makeup addict? And I came across this right here, and it's the Sephora Best Skin Ever. And when I just read Best Skin Ever, I don't know why, but it intrigued me more than any other foundation that, you know, claim the same thing. But I clicked on this, and it claimed to be a perfect natural finish longwear foundation, and it's also an anti-pollutant. And it comes with 25 milliliters. It comes in a little glass bottle with a pump, and this was around like $25-ish Canadian, which I found pretty good for Sephora prices, just because drugstore is like around the $16 mark anyways, so it's pretty similar, and I'm really excited to test this out and see how it works. I haven't seen any reviews on this yet, so I'm definitely going to try it out, review it, and see how I like it. I got mine in the shade 04N, and I feel like it'll be a pretty good match, so we'll have to see. Sometimes online shopping for foundation can be a little difficult. And then I got the Sephora S Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. Now this, I actually was watching one of Hiram's videos, the one where he was talking about his favorite makeup products, and he actually mentioned this foundation and said it had really nice ingredients, and it was a perfect foundation if you like struggle with acne and stuff, because it won't clog your pores and it won't make you break out. And immediately I thought, I try that. It's supposed to be a super natural finish, so it might be perfect for like no makeup days, or just super natural days when I don't want to cake on the makeup. I got mine in the shade 5, and it might be a little dark for me, so I might have to exchange it. But once I get my perfect shade, I'll definitely do a video on this and see how I like it, and really see if it's that like really great ingredient foundation that's like skincare with a bit of coverage. So we'll have to see. But yeah guys, that's all the makeup I got and all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. I love watching other people's haul videos. There's just something so satisfying about seeing what people bought. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos from me as well. If you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also make sure to turn on my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. With YouTube's algorithm right now, subscribing isn't enough to get all of the new updates, so make sure you get that bell turned on. But yeah, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in